I need to know the easiest way to learn Photoshop Elements.
Stand outside a Maya 3D class and say Photoshop rocks. Collect all the books they throw at you and run, hoping some of them are Photoshop.
Most of them would be user guides to other graphic software applications.
So stand outside a Blender class, offering to take and burn their Photoshop books for free.
If I wanted to learn from books, I could go to the library. But I learn better by doing, especially such complicated processes as creating graphics.
Try a meetup of Photoshop Elements users and listen to their presentations.
That would be about as boring as the genealogy meeting I went to once.
So try the Adobe.com Photoshop Elements Getting Started tutorials.
I'd hope they have decent material, given how much the software costs.
It starts with how to install the software, how to import files you made in prior versions or other applications.
In short, getting set up to use it.
It then moves on to editing and compositing, the actual use of the software.
It is good that they have the how to set it up tutorials first. Otherwise it is like the data management software lecture, where you know how to create a change notice, but do not know how to log in and fill out your time card.
If you do not want to read a lot of help screens, tv.adobe.com has video tutorials on how to use the product.
Half of it being ads for the other Adobe products.
It cannot be worse than the Adobe Photoshop Elements demos on YouTube that advertise the artist's work, screaming "Hire me to make your book cover or multimedia website intro."
Is the Adobe TV tutorial simple enough that I can understand it? Too much tech support is written for other system admins, ignoring beginners like me.
Not only do they have simple demos like how to print or apply tonal corrections, but they show you how to do some things like setting up mobile albums in both the Photoshop Elements and Premiere Elements.
That's nice, since many classes do not tell you they are dealing with the Premiere version until after you paid a premium price to sign up.
You could go to skillfeed.com and review their free lessons on using various tools in Photoshop Elements. Each class won't be an in-depth for dummies presentation, but you won't feel stupid as they run through how to use the clone stamp.
And I'll get more out of it than struggling to step through the steps in the Photoshop Elements for not-so-bright people.